Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is how I wrap and style the top knot satin turbans. I had a few people ask me how to do it, so this is how I do it. I don't know if there's a right or wrong way to do it. I just think that as long as you get it perfect and the way you like it, then you're good. So this is the way I style them. So here I have the head wrap folded in half, and I fold it in half to make sure I have the midpoint of the scarf toward the back of the head or the base of the neck. And I open it up and I put the middle of the head wrap towards the back. And I just want to point out that it is much easier to do this on your head than it is to do it on a wig head, because the wig head is really like slippery and bald, and your hair will give it more grip. So I put it towards the back and I just pull it all forward and make sure that I'm pulling it snug, and then I just begin wrapping it. And once I begin wrapping it and I have a little rope shape, I go ahead and begin bending it. The bending is what's going to make the knot shape or the bun shape. And I'm going ahead and I'm still wrapping and bending and wrapping and bending. Once you get to the end of the scarf wrap and you have that last little piece sticking out, you can go ahead and fold that under and tuck it under the knot. And then what I do, I go ahead and get one of these ouchless black rubber bands that you can get at your local Target or Walmart, and I like to secure it with one of those. So I'm going to try this one more time on my taller wig head, and I have the wrap folded in half, and I'm taking the midsection of the wrap and I'm putting it at the back of the neck or the base of the head, and I'm making sure that that's the part that's in the middle. And once I have it on, I'm going to just take the entire wrap and pull it all forward, mainly making sure that the back of the wrap is what's caught up in the middle. And then I am going to just pull it all together and just flatten it out and begin wrapping. And once I have that rope shape down, I go ahead and wrap and bend and wrap and bend. So now you can see that the knot shape is beginning to form, and I'm just placing it down exactly how I want it. If you mess up, you can go back and, restyle it at any time. So now I'm at the end of the wrap and I am just placing the last little piece down, and then I'm going to just tuck it underneath the knot. And once you do that, you just make sure you have everything tucked in that you need. And then I'm going to go ahead with my ouchless rubber band, and I'm just going to secure the knot again with that, and then that's it. So here it is, the front, the back, the sides. And to turn it around to the back side, for my pictures, I don't know if this is going to be harder on your hair. It probably will, but because the mannequin is so flat, I just twist it like this, and then I have the knot towards the back. And I know a lot of you guys like to wear it this way. I certainly do the majority of the time when I'm wearing them, and then you can just twist it back forward. Like I said, I don't know how hard this will be on your hair, but it's easy for me to do as far as like taking pictures of them. That's what I've been doing. Okay guys, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next video.